3.
Respected sir and madam, a present good morning to one and all. My name is Vaishnavi. I am pursuing 10th standard at Lokshit Tutorial. Today I am telling one wonderful seminar in front of great people like you. My seminar subject is biology and my seminar topic is nutrition. Do you know friends what is meant by nutrition? Yes, of course. Nutrition is nothing but food supplying system. There are two types of nutrition is there. Autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition is nothing but preparing their own food. Example of autotrophic nutrition is plants and some bacteria. These have green color pigments like chlorophyll and chloroplast. Heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition is depending their other food. Examples of heterotrophic nutrition is animals and fungi. These that does not have any color pigments. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the photochemical reaction. The chemical equation of photosynthesis is C6CO2 plus 12H2O in the formation of sunlight and chlorophyll. C6H12O6 plus 6O2 plus 6H2O. Now I am telling again friends, 6CO2 plus 12H2O in the formation of sunlight and chlorophyll. C6H12O6 plus 6O2 plus 6H2O. The normal equation of photosynthesis is CO2 plus 2H2O in the formation of sunlight and chlorophyll. CH2O plus H2O plus O2. Now I am telling again, CO2 plus 2H2O in the formation of sunlight. CO2 plus H2O plus O2. Now another topic is, where does photosynthesis will be takes place? Do you know friends, where does photosynthesis will be takes place? Yes, of course, photosynthesis will be takes place on chloroplast and chlorophyll. Now I am seeing one picture. This is the picture of transverse section of leaf. This is cuticle, upper epidermis, parasite parenchyma, xylem which are present in leaves. Phloem, it called dead cells. Spongy parenchyma, air space which are gap in this TSA leaf, it is called air space. Next, guard cell, lower epidermis, stomata, last cuticle. Are you understood friends? Yes, I hope you all understood. Next, another topic is, there are three types of heterotrophic nutrition. Do you know what are they? Yes, of course, saprophytic nutrition, parasitic nutrition, whole-site nutrition. Saprophytic nutrition is nothing but it is preparing their dead and decaying cells. Is called saprophytic nutrition. Whole-site nutrition, it will be called without killing them, is called whole-site nutrition. Next, parasitic nutrition. Feeding on complex of food materials is known as parasitic nutrition. Next, chloroplast. This is the picture of chloroplast. It is lipid globule, membrane, stroma, grana. Grana is nothing but thylakoids, starch gain, loop DNA. In chloroplast, matrix will be present ATP and NADPH. ATP is nothing but adenosine triphosphate. NADPH is nothing but nicotinamide dinucleotide adenosine hydrogen phosphate. Are you understood friends? I hope you all understood. Yes, we go to the next topic. In this lesson, two activities is very important. First, I will tell about sunlight how also necessary will give up a starch. First, take a potted plant and take a black paper and cut it one design and put it in a leaf. Observe that in after 2 days, we will observe that in that leaf the starch will be gained. The design will be gained up in leaf. Here we will see that sunlight has a necessary will give up a starch. Next, another activity is sunlight has more than one starch with given black or blue or black color. Take a leaf and take a tube and take a leaf with put a tincture iodine and observe that 1 hour. After that we will see that in leaf blue or black color starch will be present. Here we will see that sunlight is never thing. We will that observe blue or black color. Blue or black color is nothing but starch. This is the photosynthesis picture. Do you know, friends, what is meant by ingestion? Yes, of course. Ingestion is nothing but the process of food taken into our body is known as ingestion. Do you know, friends, what is meant by digestion? Yes, of course. Digestion is nothing but broken off food particles in our body is known as digestion. Ingestion is a physical process. Digestion is a chemical process. Next, light reaction and dark reaction. Do you know, friends, what is light reaction? Yes, of course, light reaction is nothing but presence of sunlight is known as light reaction. Light reaction is a photolysis process will be occur. It is the first stage of photosynthesis. Next, the light reaction absorbs sunlight. The end products of light reaction is O2, ATP and NADPH. I will tell now, friends, what is ATP and NADPH. Adenosine triphosphate, nicotinamide, adenosine dinucleotide, hydrogen phosphate. Yes. Next, light dark reaction. Do you know, friends, what is meant by dark reaction? Yes, of course. Dark reaction is nothing but absence of sunlight. The dark reaction absorbs only CO2. The end products of dark reaction is water and carbon dioxide. Next, the carbon fixation will be occurs in dark reaction. It is the second stage of photosynthesis. Next, I will tell about human digestive system. First, I will show the picture of human digestive system. This is the picture of human digestive system. When we are taking food into our mouth, it will be go to salivary glands to larynx, larynx to esophagus, esophagus to stomach, stomach to pancreas, pancreas to small intestine, small intestine to large intestine to rectum, rectum to anus. This is the process of human digestive system. Do you know, friends, how many types of malnutrition is there? What are they? Yes, of course, there are 3 types. Protein calorie malnutrition, calorie malnutrition, protein malnutrition. Do you know, friends, what is the correct definition of malnutrition? Yes, of course, malnutrition is nothing but eating of food more than one nutrient or another nutrient is known as malnutrition. Malnutrition is nothing but vitamin deficiency diseases. Next, in malnutrition there are some given diseases like kwashiorkor, pellagra, obesity, marasmus. Do you know, friends, what is kwashiorkor? This disease will become occur overeating. The symptoms of kwashiorkor disease is fluffy face, diarrhea, etc. This is the picture of kwashiorkor disease. Next, marasmus. Marasmus is nothing but when will become one pregnancy to repeat child is known as marasmus. Do you know, friends, what is the symptoms of marasmus? Yes, marasmus also will become diarrhea, limbs, etc. This is the picture of marasmus. Next, obesity. Obesity is nothing but overeating and excess of food is known as obesity. Next, water soluble vitamin. There are two types of vitamin deficiency, soluble solutions. They are water soluble vitamins and fat soluble vitamins. Do you know, friends, what is the examples of water soluble vitamins? Yes, of course. Water soluble vitamins is B6, B1, B2, B3, B6, B12. Next, fat soluble vitamins. What is the examples of fat soluble vitamins? Yes, of course. Vitamin A, Vitamin B, Vitamin D, Vitamin E. Vitamin A is nothing but retinol. Vitamin C is nothing but calciferol. Vitamin E is nothing but tocopherol. Thanking you for spending your valuable time for listening my video and watching my seminar. Stay home, stay safe.